If you're facing problem with a missing Wi-Fi option in your settings, then watch this video. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. Let's jump right in. So make sure you follow all the steps. If one fix doesn't work, just move on to the next one. So let's jump in. The first solution we got is to go to your services. Search services in your start menu and open it. Once you're here in the services, look for WLAN autoconfig. Once you locate it, right click and go to its properties. Make sure you have its startup type automatic, and if it's not running, click on start and apply and OK. So for the next one, you need to go to your device manager. Once you're in this window, go to network adapters, locate your adapter and right click on it. After that, click on update drivers, click on browse my computer for drivers. And in this next step, click on let me pick from list of available drivers. Just click on next and it will update your driver. Now, what else you can do is right click on it and also uninstall it. Now, after you uninstall this adapter, you can just go ahead and restart your computer and it will automatically reinstall your network adapter itself. There's last thing you could do in device manager, which is going to properties, power management, and uncheck this option called allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And after you uncheck, click on OK and you're done. So the last process is to go to system configuration. Search for system configuration in your start menu and open it. Now just click on services tab and make sure you have checked all of these boxes. So you can just click on enable all and click on apply and OK. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.